Evolution XOS version, initial version, which was Evolution X version 8.0 based on Android 14. I made a video already on that one, but we already have the new version named as 8.0.2, which is having the November security patch and some new features, some customizations are already included in this case. So don't wait, just check it out, and if it is available officially, etc., you have to check it out on a device. For my device, it's officially available now. You can go and install this thing if you're using Poco F5. If you're using any other device, it is available very soon. It will be available very soon. For some of the other devices like Poco F1, I guess it's already available from some time. I think so. In the Evolution XOS first version, which I made a video on, cloned apps feature was not there, and if it was available, it was not working. But in this case, this is working fine here. So the app cloning basically is working fine. You don't have to worry about that. It is working fine here. But simply what this feature simply do is you can simply click on clone app. It will simply create the second instance of that particular app in basically that work profile. One of the best features of this update is the hide developer status option. This is so useful, and as far as I know, this feature was not available in the Android 13 page updates, because I made a video on almost every Android 13 update for Evolution XOS. This feature was not there. This is so useful. You can simply hide the developer status from some particular apps which doesn't allow you to run by default if you have USB debugging enabled. Screen lock has the auto confirm unlock, which was kind of expected, enhanced pin privacy, and some other options. This update also brings you the smart pixel feature. I'm not exactly sure how many of you use this feature on your device, because in my general opinion, I personally don't use it at all. But if you use it, this feature is available. It was available in Android 13 update, by the way, but as Android 14 is now bringing you some new things, so yes, it's finally available. If you move on to gestures and navigation mode option, you will see some extra options. You can customize the navigation pill length, radius, and even customize the back gesture height. In the previous update, these features were not there. Only few options are there, but unfortunately one feature is still missing from here. The name is hide IME space, which was available in Android 13, but it's not available in Android 14 yet while making this video. Other options like swipe to screenshot and quick touch, all these features are already present here. This custom ROM brings you every kind of feature you need, already brings you even in the initial stage. But if you take a look at the theming options, you will see you have the option to customize the fonts. There are many fonts options available for you, working fine here. Icon pack customizations, Archerus is available, although PUI, which is Pavlova UI, it's not present. Some Wi-Fi icon customization, some icon shape customization, which you can do so. We also have the brightness slider customizations and navigation bar style. All these things are already present here. By the way, it is not bringing you the launcher 3 for now. We already have the Pixel launcher. In this case, Pixel launcher is already available. In miscellaneous options, you will notice that we have the game space available, so that's really nice. If you take a look at some other features, smart pixels, I've already shown you. Some spoofing options are also present, and the ignore window secure flags option is also present. I'm not exactly sure if it was available in the previous update or not, but these features are so useful, and if these features are available in upcoming updates or in this update based on Android 14, that's really useful. All the features are so good. We also have the application downgrade option available, which is definitely recommended to check it out. Other options like these custom options, I mean to say in customization, some status bar options, which you have the option to enable or disable. By the way, no Wi-Fi icons support, unfortunately. That might be included in the upcoming updates. For now, it's not there. Retake notification is also present. In-call vibration options you need, these are also present here. I'm just giving you the overview of the features which were missing from the previous update and now included in this update. That's a really useful thing although. Brightness slider, we have 4 extra styles, and if you include the default one, then we have the 5 brightness styles options available. You don't have to install any separate app like Iconify or Themer to customize these things. Of course, for that you have to root your device, but in this case you don't need that. Lock screen have the edge lighting options. Lock screen clock fonts are also included, but as far as I know, this feature will only work if you use a default clock, as Android 14 already brings you some extra clock options. So if you use a custom clock, then this feature will not work for you. And the first update which I made video on, this custom lock screen customizations were not there, buttons customizations were not there, but now all the things are available, so that's really nice. If you want to take a look at this version and if you want to install it on a device, link is already available in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.